Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to have you here today. In this video, I'm going to show you my 3 reasons why you should start an online side hustle in 2024. 5 years ago, I started my freelance business and I've been doing that till right now. And I also have a full-time job I'm managing. I also have a lot of clients I'm working with as a freelancer, and I've been making money from different angles and from different business. And I think that is something you should also do in 2024. So in this video, I'm going to show you my 3 reasons why you should start a freelance side also in 2024. So the top on the list is flexibility and freedom. You all know the work environment is already changing, and for a full-time job you have to stay 9 to 5, which is really it's going to take a lot of your time. But you can start a side also, which you can just do 1 or 2 hours a day, and you see the money start coming every month. Side also will give you a lot of time and freedom to do whatsoever you want, and with just your PC or your laptop or your phone, you can travel to whatsoever country you want to travel to, and you can work with your internet connection. So side also gives you that flexibility, and it also gives you the freedom to take risks. Why? Because you're not investing a lot into the side also. That's my number one reason. So my second reason why you should start an online side also is to diversify your income stream. Having an online side also give you that extra income, give you that extra dollar that is coming every month or every week to your pocket, right? Because if you just have only one full-time job, you have only one source of income. And when anything happens to that source of income, you are in pain, you don't have any money to spend. And if you're someone who has family or children, you're gonna be looking for money to cater for your family, right? But if you have those side also jobs or money coming in, you'll be able to do that even when you don't have your full-time job. If you remember this popular quote which says, don't put all your eggs in one basket. That is really true when it comes to making money in 2020. So you want to make sure that you diversify your income stream and invest in other side also. There are a lot of side also you can start in 2024. So my third reason why you should start a side also in 2024 is opportunity for growth and skill development. A side also is going to give you the ability to learn new skills, learn new strategy, enter into a new industry. It's going to stretch you, give you a lot of ability to learn a lot. I've been a freelancer for 5 years and I've learned a lot in the journey, from graphic design to even web development and content creation, which I'm actually doing now. So you want to make sure that you invest in a side also that's going to give you the ability to learn new skills, which will in turn become profit for you in the future. So I think side hustle is something that everyone should be doing in 2024, and that's something you want to invest in 2024. So I hope you love this video, and if side hustle and making money online is something that you really love and you want to invest your time in 2024, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Till next time guys, peace.